Well, good morning and welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we're working on my commuter car. This is the car I drive 100 miles a day back and forth to work. It's a 2014 Nissan Sentra, otherwise known as a B17. I believe the years that this is going to be compatible for is 2013 to, I actually don't know. I'm pretty sure at least 2015, probably beyond, I don't know. But this is a 2014. We're replacing the PCV valve. That's the positive crankcase ventilation valve. It goes on top of your crankcase, and anyway, whatever. So I'm not having any issues with mine per se. There are symptoms. If you think you're having issues with this, look it up online. There's several different symptoms of a bad PCV valve. I'm having none of those. I'm at 135,000 miles on this car, and I'm just replacing it because it's 15 bucks, and why not? I mean, I like to take care of problems before they become problems because I hate dealing with problems. So if you take care of the problem before it ever exists, well, you're golden. So replacing this is a super easy project, super easy, super fast, probably take you 15 minutes, maybe 20, give or take, I don't know. So if you hang out, watch the video, you'll know how. You can do it yourself. Today we are using this intermotor, genuine import parts SMP, part number V as in Victor 564. And that is, let's see if we can get it up into the camera. Boom, and part number right there. Okay, that's what we're using, so let's do it. First thing you're gonna do is always set the e-brake and then pop your hood. Take that. Put your hood prop down just like always, and the rest I want to bring you in closer for. Okay, so first things first, you got to get this cover out of the way. It just pops off. It's got 4 grommets, 1 in each corner. You might have to get aggressive with the ones in the back. They don't seem to like coming off. Point, case in point. There we go. Just held in by these grommets. Boom, 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 boom. And they're rubber right here. Okay, so get rid of that. All right, so this is your engine. These are your spark plugs, or your coils anyway, for your plugs. Your plugs are under. This is your PCV valve, the hose that runs across and over. If you've watched my spark plug video, you've seen me pull that hose off. Your PCV valve is down here on the left side when you're looking at your engine. So all we have to do is pull this hose clamp off, pull the PCV valve off, and put it back. Super simple. Now I wish my light would stay where I want it to so you could see better. I'm gonna try for something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab our needle nose pliers. Use 45 degree, 90 degrees, straight degrees, 180 degrees, 0 degrees, whatever degree hose clamp or hose plier, yeah. Hose removal tool type thing you want. You're just gonna grab it, wiggle it loose, pull it off just like so. And that's your PCV valve. So for reference, we can pull out, just in case you're unsure, your new one. And it looks exactly the same, so we're good. Sometimes your new one will be a different color. Like if you watched the one on my Nissan Frontier, the new one was green or something like that, and the old one was black, I don't know, don't really care. So now you're gonna grab a socket and pull that off. All right, so this requires a 23 millimeter socket. There's not really a whole lot of other tools you can get in there, so you kind of need the socket. You just slide it over. I mean, if you're smart and can figure something out better than I can, go for it, because heaven knows I've made things more complicated than they have to be. Got a little 6-inch extension just to get away from all this crap right here, and my ratchet. And you can just get it on there, crank it loose. This is not cranked in tight, or better not be anyway. It's just plastic. And then you can pretty much you get it undone by hand. There's going to be a little bit of oil on there, don't be surprised. That's the, let me do it by the mic. That's the infamous shake that you know you're good. That's the basic test everybody seems to do on YouTube, is they shake it. Yep, still good. So this one's still good. Like I said, I want to replace it anyway. 130,000 miles, it's only a matter of time. So get your 0W20 oil out. Honestly, it doesn't really matter, you can use whatever. You're just going to lube the O-ring a little bit, and that'll just help seal it. So dip your finger in and just rub that on that O-ring. Don't have to be excessive, you just need enough to help seal it off. And you can put it back in the hole. Lube it and stick it in the hole, man. Okay. So, boom. 23mm setup again. And again, you're not gonna go tight, you're just gonna go snug. Okay, so right there I'm stopping. I'm gonna take my hose, put that back on, grab my hose clamp pliers, and put that back on. Boom, solid. So now all you got left to do is pull your light out of the way, which you probably didn't even need. Grab your plastic cover. Make sure you orientate it forwards. It's not going to work out too well if you don't. And plug it back into the grommets. Boom, 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 boom. There it is. All right, guys, easy as that. That's how you change your PCV valve, your positive crankcase ventilation valve, on your 2014, 2013 Nissan Sentra. Whatever year you have should be pretty similar, as long as it's 2013 and up. I don't know when the B17 model ends. Maybe it's 2017. I don't know. Anyway, that's how you change it. Super easy to do. Took me probably 7 minutes with the video rolling and having to figure out what size socket to use and figuring out I need an extension. All that together took probably 7 minutes. All right, so if you liked what you saw, hit that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can see the next videos I do. I've got several videos sitting on the desktop in files that are not edited. I just gotta go back up in there and edit them. And I got a lot more videos coming up too that I still have repairs to do. I have a whole crate of parts that are just waiting to be put on. Later today, actually, probably not going to post it today. There's no way I'm gonna have time. I purchased the tow mirrors for the F250 and I'm gonna put those on. So I'm gonna do a review on the mirrors, put them on, take it for a drive, and we'll see how it goes. Not sponsored, by the way. So hit that subscribe button so you can see that. I got several videos coming up. I got coilovers, we've got suspension parts we've done, we've got oil changes, filter changes. I got quite a few stuff on there and a lot more coming up. So until next time.